good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. Today's double unboxing are two Victorinox watches, which you don't see Victorinox included in a lot of channels for some reason. It's a widely known brand. Now, one of the watches that I do have in here is a pretty popular watch. Quick watch check, by the way. I'm just getting off work for the morning, so I'm indeed wearing the Islander watch. Still love that piece. But these Victorinox watches, like I said, the INOX that I have received has been covered a lot, but the other one has not been covered, I feel like, enough. The Airboss, I feel like it's a really cool watch. And again, you would see the title that those are the two that were sent to me. Now, these were kindly sent in by Saltzmans Watches, guys, and it's a new AD that I'm working with. The AD itself is not new, but it's a new relationship that I am starting to work with them. And they kindly lent these out for review and unboxing so I could show you guys. So I said, heck yeah, I contacted them, and like I said, they kindly lent these in. Now, these are the 80 retail prices, but they also are giving I'm not sure how much of a discount, but if you call them and you speak to them and let them know that you saw these on the Watch Lounge channel, you will be able to get a pretty decent viewer discount. So let me know how that works out, guys. I've heard nothing but great things about Saltzman and looking to build a ongoing relationship with them and hopefully send in some more pieces for the channel review and further the expansion of brands that the channel gets to check out and show you guys. So this is a really cool relationship. Like I said, get to show you guys new watches that you haven't seen on the channel, that I haven't looked at, get more experience on new watches, and you guys get to see new watches. But anyways, guys, on to the watches. They sent the Airboss and the INOX. I'll put one box out the way here. Of course, I kind of cheated already and unboxed it. And it looks like this is the INOX. They sent the white INOX in. This is a quartz watch, guys. Overall, of course, there's the warranty information and all that. Overall, first impressions on this. I've been wanting to check one of these guys out in person. These are definitely built like a tank from what I can see. I would consider these to be like a Swiss version of a G-Shock, if that's a fairly accurate statement. Would you guys say, guys? Because these are almost as tough as a G-Shock, and they will last for years and years from what I've heard. I have to do a little bit more research on this guy. I've always been interested in these. Now, these definitely are not for the slender wristed guys. That is for sure. Neither of these pieces are. Maybe that's why the Victorinox might not be as popular. But again, these are killer watches, especially for the price. Like I said, I'll go into full review of both of these watches. And again, I'd like to thank Saltzmans for lending these in. I've heard nothing but great things about this AD. Great customer service. And again, tell them I sent you if you're looking at either of these watches. I don't get any kickback or anything like that. They just kindly lent these in. Like I said, they are offering a viewership discount, which is pretty cool. So, again, I'm not sure how much that is. You just have to contact them on the specifics. I'll leave a way to get a hold of them down below. Now, on to the next watch. The Airboss, of course. And then there is the reference number if you are interested in the reference number. Pretty standard packaging overall. Nothing too crazy. Nothing to write home about on these Victorinox, but still nice packaging overall. Pretty good impressions on the overall presentation, guys. And again, these are something that I have not seen on the channel, so it's cool to be able to bring you guys new brands that I have not experienced with myself. So you guys are experiencing these brands with me for the first time, which is pretty cool, guys. And here is the Airboss. Again, this is one that I feel like is not really widely covered for some reason or another. Overall, for a field watch, overall first impressions, I really do like the looks of it. Clean look. 6 o'clock gate window. And this is, I believe, powered by an ETA 2892. And for a new retail under $1,000, that is a lot of watch for the money. Definitely a little bit on the bigger side, but it doesn't look like it wears too big. Like I said, look for a full review on these guys coming up soon. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you have any experience with Victorinox, or do you have any experience with Saltzmans? I believe they are based in Rhode Island. There you can see the movement going there. Again, this is just a first impressions type deal. There's the movement on the case back, pretty cool. You can see that rotor movement. Overall, first impressions on these guys, I really am digging these, and I may end up adding a Victorinox at some point in the collection. I do really like the INOX, even for a quartz version. I do believe they have an INOX and a quartz, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong down there. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as I do come out with reviews. I come out with unboxings like these, and I come out with top 8 videos and live streams on the daily, guys. Let me know anything down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.